Now this is the new switch that I picked up for my laptop monitor setup. That I have two laptops, one for work and one for pleasure, and I have one monitor just to save space, and I like to switch between them very easily. And one of these ways to do it is using one of these devices that I picked up from Amazon. And let's get it open up here. There's some information on the back there. So switch between sources, 2 in, 1 out, so you can connect it there. So I think you can also use it for things like if you had your gaming computer and also a console, you could probably use it that way to share a monitor, or even with a TV. So it's just a really good way to make it convenient by just pressing a button and getting it on the screen so that you can enjoy two consoles, computers at once without having to mess around too much with cables. Now I went for the blue. I think they had black and I think a cream if I remember rightly, but I thought this blue was really cool looking. So it's come like that, and it's got a really nice little cable tidy as well, which is a nice little upgrade from the last one. So you can tighten up your cable, and basically you'd put your HDMI in there and you would just press the button and jump between them. So you can just click of a button, which is what I'll be doing with my two different laptops, but you can use your desktop, your console, anything that's got your HDMI in it, you could jump between two different sources. And there's also a lifetime guarantee, which is very nice. And then your user guide, which is going to be quite small because it's quite sort of straightforward. You just put them both in, press, and it's done. And yeah, I like the idea there's a lifetime warranty, so I'm going to be activating that just to make sure that you get good value for money, because that means if something happens with it, they'll give you a new one, which is awesome. So here we have my own laptop here, my personal and gaming laptop. Then I've got my work laptop here. And as you can see, they are different. So what I want to do, if I want to broadcast whatever's on my laptop, and I can close the lid and do this. You haven't got to have the lid open to use this device. Let's just get down there. All you need to do, they're both all plugged in now. You press the button once. And there you go. It has now broadcast whatever's on there onto here. And that is that. And then I can switch back. And it's back on there. So, does exactly what I wanted to do. So, top notch job, guys. Really happy with that.